I always wanted to have a turntable or product carousel to do those rotating style videos or photo shoots. So with that, I decided to hunt around for something online. Most of the items were expensive, and granted they were mechanized, but the lowest I could find being just over $10. I just wanted something that was cheaper, as I didn't plan on using it except for the handful of times I would have a product I wanted to review. Luckily, I found the cheese turntable in Lidl. You can get the same item online on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check it out. The one I bought came shrink wrapped with an instructional booklet and silica gel. It has little pads at the bottom to keep it stable and has a nice wood grain finish on both the bottom stand and the top carousel. The motion is smooth. However, having a wood grain isn't great for product shots. So I spent part of an afternoon, 2 cans of spray paint, and running to the store twice as the first one finished after only 2 coats or so. The result is a matte white finish. The final piece has the wooden texture appearing through, which isn't quite ideal, but it beats having a glossy finish, which would be prone to reflections. In hindsight, I should have just used a large whiteboard on top, but that can still be done anyway, and if not, this serves as something ready to go for a low-key setup. So the cheese stand and the paint ran up to just under €10 and a bit of elbow grease. If you like this, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.